Welcome to Edu Warehouse, educational, informative, and building resilience. This festive season, as we all gear up to celebrate, there's someone else waiting to join the party, but for all the wrong reasons. Scammers are out in full force, using holiday cheer to mask their schemes. Fake deals, phishing emails, phony charities, they are all out there, preying on holiday shoppers and those wanting to give. In this video, we are diving into the most common scams to watch out for, how to protect yourself, and how to make sure your holiday spirit stays safe and sound. Let's stay informed and enjoy a scam-free festive season. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's keep each other informed and save this festive season. Now, what is a festive season scam? A festive season scam is a type of fraud that typically occurs during the holiday season when consumers are more active in shopping, traveling, or making charitable donations. Scammers exploit the increased online activity and the festive mood to trick people into providing personal information, financial details, or making payments for non-existent goods or services. Let's look at the common types of festive season scams. Common types of festive season scams include 1. Fake online stores. Fraudsters set up fake websites or social media pages offering deals on popular items only to steal money or personal details when people place orders. 2. Phishing emails. Scammers send emails pretending to be from reputable companies, claiming there are issues with orders or offering special deals, which often lead to fake websites designed to steal login credentials or personal information. 3. Gift card scams. Scammers ask for payment via gift cards, often claiming to be a charity or someone in need, because gift cards are hard to trace once the code is given. 4. Charity scams. Scammers pose as charitable organizations to take advantage of people's goodwill, soliciting donations that never reach a real charity. 5. Fake delivery notifications. Scammers send fake texts or emails from what looks like courier companies, claiming there's a problem with the delivery and ask for personal details or payment to resolve the issue. To avoid falling victim to festive season scams, follow these practical tips. 1. Verify online stores. Shop on reputable websites. Stick to the well-known retailers or check reviews and feedback if using new ones. Look for HTTPS in the URL, that is the website address, which indicates a secure site. Beware of deals that seem too good to be true. Unrealistic discounts or products sold out everywhere else might be a red flag. Check for contact details. Legitimate online stores will have clear contact information, including phone numbers and physical addresses. 2. Protect your payment information. Use credit cards or secure payment methods. Credit cards offer more protection than debit cards, and services like PayPal have buyer protection programs. Avoid wire transfers and gift card payments. Scammers often request these methods because they are difficult to trace. Monitor your bank and credit card statements. Check for unauthorized transactions, especially after making online purchases. 3. Verify charities. Research charities before donating. Use websites like Charity Navigator or GuideStar to verify the legitimacy of charitable organizations. Avoid donating via email links. Go directly to charity's website to make a donation instead of clicking on links in emails or social media posts. 4. Watch for fake delivery notifications. Don't click on links in delivery texts or emails. If you get a notification about a shipment issue, visit the courier's official website and track your package using the tracking number provided by the retailer. Be suspicious of urgent claims. Scammers often try to pressure you into providing personal or financial information by claiming your delivery will be delayed or cancelled. 5. Check for red flags in payment requests. Beware of unusual payment requests. If someone asks you to pay via gift card or cryptocurrency for a purchase or a charity, it's likely a scam. Don't trust unsolicited offers or calls. If someone contacts you unexpectedly, verify their legitimacy through independent channels. 6. Secure your personal information. Never share personal information via email or phone. Legitimate businesses will not ask for sensitive information like your credit card or banking details over email or phone. 7. Stay informed. Keep up with common scams. Stay aware of the latest tactics scammers are using, especially during the holiday season, by checking consumer protection websites or news reports. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and support. Stay vigilant this festive season and remember to check back for more tips and insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to help others stay safe too. See you in the next video.